All right, check it out. Here's the nice and sturdy. Here's the new rotor, and this thing will spin forever on this VCR bearing. And it's funny. I was able to use my old the big window motor base for this one, and so it should work great um, with that coil. And I was able to, so when I tried to drill it in here, I had two issues. One, I couldn't get it far enough over so it wasn't hitting the inside. And two, the, the, um, the magnets are strong, and there's a magnet inside here. It's one of those refrigerator magnets, and it's a full circle magnet um, for the VCR motor, and it was causing a cogging. And now look at this bad mammer jammer. It is flying. So hopefully today, following this little introduction right here, I should be able to get it up and running. Pretty cool, huh? VCR bearings are the best. I don't think I have any more either, but I pulled it off of an old rotor I had that wasn't really, and it's strong. These are N52 magnets, and they're north-south, north-south. So stay tuned. Well, that was quick. I didn't think it would work with it sitting down like that so low, but it works like a charm. There's the load. I'm using the JL94. It is flying. I should probably not stand right behind it just in case. Let me put that over there. Yeah, it's flying. I'm gonna have to put some tape on there, some reflective tape, to see how fast it's going. I didn't even need to pick it up, and I don't know what would happen if I picked it up. It is actually slowing down. So yeah, this is the optimal place right here. Cool. Now I'll put the other coil on top of it and see what kind of output I'm getting. But that's off of one circuit. She is flying. I don't want to stand. I have my camera on a tripod. Here, sorry about the camera angle. There it goes. It's flying. So let me put some in the circuit staying nice and cool. Yeah, that's awesome. All right, let me see what I can do as far as output. So as far as AC voltage on the pickup coil from one of my big coils, it's not picking up much, but that is AC. I do need to get that bridge rectifier going. Using this coil here though, which is the Sky coil, this guy picks up about 8 volts AC. Yeah, you guys can't see the meter. Whoops, that's what I was afraid of. Yeah, it's about 8 volts AC. So yeah, I'm gonna make some pickup coils, some that I can fit on either side of this. I got tons of wires, so yeah, I'm gonna do that. But this thing is working freaking great. Holy mackerel. I gotta see, let me see how much voltage is coming off of the unit itself. And that's DC voltage. Let me see what I got here. This is the out going to this 12 volt, um, going to this 12 volt LED. Let me check this out here. No, that doesn't work. All right, it says 3.1 volts. So I don't know if that's, yeah, that's DC coming off of that. It also reads AC, but that's back EMF, so I don't really know. Um, anyway, it's working great. Yeah, it must be just the way I wound the other one because this one works great. And the wire size difference isn't that much. I think this was a 23 or 22, and the other one was a 21. But this one really flies. In fact, I got to be careful because this isn't mounted. This thing just goes, I can't stand right in its way. I'll get hit in the face if one of those come off. It shouldn't. It's secured. Let me put uh, a reflector on it. All right, let me see what we got here. 8,000. It kind of fluctuates. I don't know why it's doing that. And 9,000, 8,000. It's actually all up. Whoops. I must have a short. Yeah, okay. I've got one of my connections is not. There we go. Oh, dang it. Hold on. Yeah, I can't get an accurate reading. Excuse me. It's flying. I think it's probably around 8 or 9 thou. I don't know why. I've got the tape on there. 6. Then it drops down. It's all over the place. Anyway, it's going well. It's going really good. Oops, sorry. All right, John. So really quick before I let you guys go, I've done some experiments. So down here is good. Here in the middle is no good, and way up high is really good. And I can tell that because when it's spinning really fast, the load flickers. And well, here, let me see if I can show you. So when I go, now it's doing the opposite. See, watch, when I turn it off, all right, I'll turn it off. Now it's still flickering, all right, the load. The load is still flickering. When I bring it to the midpoint, it stops. And when I bring it up high, it starts flickering again. When I bring it to the mid, it stops. When I bring it down here, well, it's not flickering now because it's going too slow. So, yeah. Anyway, I got a lot of experimenting to do. Yeah, so I couldn't let it go. I put the reflector on the shaft itself, and now I'm getting normal readings. So 9,000 RPMs or 9,100, 9,170. So it fluctuates. So 9,000 RPMs, not screechingly fast, but still fast. At least it's consistent now. There we go. Cool.